Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to take notes in Google Meet. First, when you are in your Google Meeting, just go right here to Meeting Tools and click on Read AI. If you can't see Read AI, just click on Show More and it should be somewhere right here. If you cannot find it, just click on this plus icon and then type here Read AI and it will find you as well. So click on that and click on install right here. This will open up this window where you have to click on continue, and this will basically install this add-on to your Google Workspace from the Google Marketplace. So as you can see, it is loading right now. You will have to sign up to this Read AI, choose an account that you want to sign up with and click continue. Now you can select all and click on continue right here. So make sure you trust this, and right now you can start recording and simply see the live transcription right here. So once the guest is speaking right now, you will be able to see your live transcription right here. You can also take notes, as you can see right here. So just take notes during the meeting. So the first point is we talk about this and add notes however you want. So it is really simple. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye-bye.